Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video I am going to show you some country inspired cottage decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Country inspired cottage decoration is a warm, cozy home decor style that blends simple country living with the soft storybook charm of a cottage. It feels welcoming, a little nostalgic, and very lived in, like a home where time slows down. Here are some practical, easy to follow tips to create a beautiful, country inspired cottage decor, warm, cozy, and full of charm. Choose soft, natural colors. Use warm whites, cream, beige as your base. Add gentle accents like shades green, soft blue, dusty pink. Avoid harsh or shiny colors. Keep everything calm and muted. Bring nature indoors, fresh flowers, potted plants or dried lavender, wooden trays, stoneware, clay pots. Layer textures thoughtfully. Combine linen plus lace plus crochet. Rugs made of jute or cotton. Personal and handmade touches. DIY crafts, embroidery, crochet, or clay decor. Small imperfections make it charming. Don't overstyle. Leave some space breathing. Let the room feel lived in, not stressed. Mix old and simple, not fancy. Pair on vintage looking pieces with very simple items. Use baskets everywhere, wicker or can baskets for blankets, magazines, kitchen items. Wall hang baskets add rustic charm. Let wood look like wood. Avoid glossy polish. Use matte, natural or lightly worn finishes. Keep decor low and gentle. Use low bowls, trays, short vases on tables. Tall, dramatic decor feels formal, not gorgeous. Style windows simply. Tie top, cafe curtains, or lace panels, wooden rods or metal rings. Let sunlight be part of the decor. Handmade always wins. Crochet runners, lace towels, embroidered pillows. Even one handmade item changes the whole mood. Use quiet accessories, fewer items but meaningful ones. Old books, clay pots, stoneware. Think seasonal not trendy. Spring, flowers, light linens. Summer, cotton, baskets, greenery. Autumn, warm dress, earthy tones. In winter, candles, layers, or cozy textures. Let rooms feel unfinished. A stool waiting by the wall. A basket that looks casually placed. Cottage homes feel like life is still happening. Country cottage rule. If something feels too perfect, soften it. If something feels too empty, warm it. Layer whites never on white. Mix warm white, cream, antique white. Add texture so white doesn't feel flat. Use night lighting thoughtfully. Lamps lower than eye level feel cozier. Handles or candle style lights add softness. Red scent be part of decor. Dried herbs, lavender, eucalyptus. Style with old books and paper. Stick a fewer old books on tables. Display handwritten notes or vintage style prints. Choose a storage that shows life. Open shelves instead of closed cabinets. Glass jars with rice, tea, flour. Let daily items become decor. Hang mirrors for soft light. Antique or simple wood frames. Place where they catch daylight. Repeat small details. Same flower color in two rooms. Same wood tone in furniture. Repetition creates calm flow. Let walls stay calm. Soft paint, subtle texture, or gentle wallpaper. Avoid crowded walls. On beautiful pitch speaks louder than many. Add softness at every level. Curtains soften windows. Rugs soften floors. Cushions soften seating. Cottage homes feel wrapped, not sharp. Use green as a neutral. Olive, shares, moss, eucalyptus. Green works like base in cottage decor. It connects everything back to nature. Choose furniture with curves, rounded chair backs, oval tables. Soft edges feel more cottage than sharp lines. Repeat candlelight. One candle looks random. Three candles feel international. Use different heights, same mood. Mix florals carefully. Small floral prints plus plain fabrics. Never mix mix too many bold patterns. Cottage florals should feel faded and gentle. Let the time show. Don't replace everything at once. Let pieces age naturally. Make windows feel alive. Add plants on sills. Use wooden trays or small baskets nearby. Use fewer, better pieces. Choose one beautiful item instead of many small ones. Quality and meaning matter more than quantity. Let time be visible. Vintage clocks, on handles, edged frames. Nothing should feel brand new everywhere. Keep flowers simple. One type of flower per vase. Wildflowers, curtain roses, baby's breath. Warm up hard surfaces. Add runners on tables. Linen cloths on shelves. Style shelves like a pantry. Mix practical items with decorative ones. Jars, bowls, baskets, books. Choose frames that feel gentle, wood, antique gold, or white. Avoid sharp black frames. Frames should blend, not shout. Evening mood matters. Style the home for night, not just daytime. Lamps, candles, warm shades. Add quiet handcraft details. Crochet ends, lace trim, hand stitching. Small touches feel personal and loved. Let the outside in. Open windows when possible. Let light, breeze, and sounds enter. Final country cottage feeling. Your home should feel like a place where tea cools slowly, curtains move gently, and nothing is in a hurry. Thanks for watching the video.